Hey everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about a situation that hopefully you don't see yourselves caught up in. So I got a question from a friend, a past client, asking me about, hey, what do I do if I'm involved in a collision and I don't have insurance? Well, that's a very compromising predicament to be caught up in, for sure. What happens usually is if the other person has insurance, the other insurance company will typically pay them their damages, and then they'll actually come after you to try to recoup those damages, whatever they paid out. And unfortunately, if you're not able to pay them or enter into a payment plan, what they'll do is they'll suspend your license. And typically they'll send you to collector too. So if the collection company or the insurance company asks you to pay for the damages and you're not able to pay it all up front, or if you're not able to enter into a payment agreement with them, they do have the right to suspend your license. You can negotiate with them to pay them a lesser amount in a lump sum, or you can ask them to lower the payments for you, and in that way you can either avoid getting your license suspended, or if your license has already been suspended, you can enter into a payment agreement, or you can pay them a lump sum and get your license reinstated by the Department of Licensing. It is for sure a very compromising predicament to be in. Hopefully you won't see yourself in that predicament. I recommend getting a policy and having insurance at all times with all the coverages. But if you just can't afford all the coverages, I mean, at the very least, try to get coverage where you're covered at least at a bare minimum what the state requires. In Washington State, it's $25,000 in coverage, and I recommend you get more, but at the very least, try to always maintain insurance. If you have other questions or there are other things that you'd like answered on our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe and give us a comment. Send us your questions. If we feel that we can give you an answer on a YouTube video, on a later YouTube video, we'd be more than happy to. So send us your questions and we'll try to answer them for you. Anyway, that's all. Have a good evening.